tips that will make your pregnancy easier, part 1. Tiptoe the side that hurts. This doesn't happen to everyone, but if you're like me, you have these crazy sciatic pain right here. And sometimes when you step on the side that hurts, it almost feels like an electric shock. Tiptoe the side that hurts when you walk, so that you can at least walk to the closest chair to sit down and rest. This also helps at night when I'm going to the bathroom. Part 2. How to lay on your belly. For those of you who like to sleep on your chest but cannot anymore since you're pregnant, here's what I do. Put 2 pillows on top of each other and then do this. You can stay like this for around 10 to 15 minutes each time. Doing this for too long, my feet will get numb. But this is so relaxing. You have to try it. Part 3. Wear a support belt. I know that there's support belts for the belly, but I like these ones better. I wear them here where my hip is, and it helps so much when I'm walking or need to be standing for a long period of time. Without them, I would be walking like a penguin. Part 4. Take a bath or stand in the swimming pool. If your back pain is bothering you so much, take a bath or go stand in the swimming pool if the weather is not too cold. The water helps relieve some weight from your body, and it helps a ton when I'm super uncomfortable. I know that hot baths are not recommended because it changes your body temperature, but I guess warm water should be fine. If you don't have access to a swimming pool or bathtub, honestly, even just a shower will help with the blood circulation. Part 5. Dealing with pelvic pain. So I started having severe pelvic pain when I was about 27 weeks pregnant, and at night I cannot even change side without hurting. If that happens to you too, what you can do is put a pillow in between your legs and always change side with your legs closed. Also squeeze the inner thigh muscle to hold the pillow when changing side. That will help to not trigger the pelvic pain. Also, I like to use these massager before going to bed. I just put them in between my legs and have it vibrate on the pelvic bone. This reduces the chance of those electric shocks at night while you're changing position in your sleep. Part 6. Crack your back. Okay, this might not be safe for everyone, so do it at your own risk, but it's what has been helping me a ton. It is to have someone crack my back when I'm in severe back pain. So what I do is I put 2 pillows on top of each other and then do this pose. Then I have my husband crack my back from the shoulder to where the bra buckle is. It helps temporarily release the pain, and for lower back, I like to crack it myself just like this. Left and right. Part 7. Oil and then lotion for dry skin. So if your skin gets ridiculously dry like mine, and then you've tried all the body lotion, body oil you can possibly find, and still it's not enough, try putting body oil when you're still wet in the shower. I use bio oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And then after that, add another layer of body lotion. I use this one from Skin Fix, but again, use whatever you want. The double layer of oil and lotion combined can keep at least my skin from getting dried for 2 days. It works so much better than any single product. Part 8. Electric shopping cart. I'm pretty sure you've seen it before somewhere, but most grocery stores actually have those electric shopping carts where you can just sit on and drive around the store. Those help so much because it avoids a lot of unnecessary walking. And don't be embarrassed. When people see that you need help, they actually tend to give you extra help, and that's always something good to have. Part 9. Getting a temporary disability parking tag. Don't abuse this one though, but if you're like me and you're experiencing all these back pain, sciatic pain, pelvic pain, etc., you can actually apply temporary disability parking tag with DMV. Just print out the form and have your OB office fill in their part. Pay the fee, mail in the paper, and then there you go. It literally helps so much.